Well, this week on Dateline Schools, have the opportunity to learn about what's happening out at the St. Clair County Technical Education Center as they're preparing for their annual open house coming up next week. And tell us all about it, my special guest is the director at TEC, Pat Yanink. And Pat, I know at TEC, you guys don't just sit around on your laurels and everything. You're always looking to see what the needs are in our community and how we can better meet students. Tell us about some of the new and exciting things you're offering at TEC this year.
So Terry, a new program for us we started this year is a new education and early childhood development program. This is combining those two into one. It's a state-approved program. Initially, this was brought to our attention by the St. Clair County EDA and our local business community saying we need more workers in early childhood development. But also at the state level, we know that there's going to be and is a big demand for future educators, teachers in our school systems. And so those are both put into this new program at the state called Education and Early Childhood Development, which will allow students to come in and they'll begin by learning about working with students pre-K. And then they can begin to make choices as to what age group they think they would like to work with and as they progress through the program. So by the end of it, a student could say, you know, I really enjoyed working with the little kids pre-K, or I really like elementary age, or it could be that they're interested in teaching at the secondary level.
Now, this is really a great example of how TEC really works with the community to determine what programs to offer kids.
Right, we pay attention to what is the labor market demand, what jobs are out there that people are struggling to find workers, but then we also keep a track of what the students are interested in. And when we find a high labor market demand and a high student demand, that's something we better be paying attention to.
More tomorrow for Dateline Schools. I'm Terry Yanink.